lot of houses are elevated in Long Beach. You can ring my bell, ring my bell. Good morning.
Good morning.
Here for a leaking shower?
Yeah.
Okay, lead the way.
It's more of a water pressure issue, but
I was told that the shower is leaking.
I'll show you what's
Okay.
No, really, I think it's more of an issue with water pressure that we were having than anything. It's like, but
How long's that been going on for?
wild.
How long have you lived here?
A year.
Has it been there since you lived here? Okay. Turn some light on in here.
Sorry. No, I didn't even know that he called you. So I'm sorry.
Oh, he didn't tell you?
He told my roommate, but I didn't know what he specifically was calling about. Sorry.
It's alright. Alright, let's see if we can take care of this thing. How is it coming? That's like... Chris, that's pretty bad, huh? How's the tub? The tub's broken. What the hell? Who makes this thing? Well, let's just see if we take the shower head off, what happens. Let's get a...
I'll be right downstairs if you need
Alright, no problem.
Thank you.
Using the crescent wrench so we don't scratch the shower head. But someone's already beat me to it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. The restrictor's already gone. Let's see. Oh. Chris, don't take a piss in public like that.
I pee more water pressure. It's very limp.
Something wrong with that. Something wrong with this diverter. Something wrong with that diverter. All right, as long as I keep my shoes dry, we'll be good to go, all right? Let's see, who makes this thing, you think?
I'm going with probably Delta.
You think so?
Yeah.
Let's find out. Let's see. Do you see what I see? Yeah, I think it is a Delta.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to cut it out. Well, looks we're kind of F now. All right. Looks like we can be drilling this bad boy out. All right. Got it all out. Came out in pieces. Now. Okay. I'll tell you one thing, it looks cleaner than an avian. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Let me tell you. Now it's like you're in a monsoon here. Uncut, unedited raw. Yep. We totally jerry rigged that shower.
Definitely a little ghetto, but I mean, that thing will blast your skin off. There's pressure now, that's for sure.
So the problem here is that the diverter wouldn't come out in one piece on this Delta 3-handle tub and shower body, right?
That came out in multiple pieces.
It came out in multiple pieces. I had to drill it out, and we put a new one in, but it wasn't working, right? There's too much surface damage to the actual, the cheap brass shower body inside, where it's just spinning around and around and around like a top. And I told the guy, I was like, listen, you need to replace the shower body. And what does he tell me? Like, it's a tenant, it's a rental, I own both properties, and listen, you put a cap on there or something, and they don't use it as a tub. And he's got that deep Italian, like, gangster mobbish attitude, like F this and F that is every other word out of his mouth. And I got no offense to the guy, but he's got that's his personality, you know. He's got that Goomba, you know, that Goomba thing going on, and that's what we see when we usually deal with landlord tenants. The tenant has an issue, and the landlord wants it done as cheap as possible. Listen, and the landlord is happy as a pig in shit. But as I always say, I always keep it uncut, unedited, raw, and you saw as raw as it's gonna get. Did I hack that shower body? Absolutely. That was hacked. But they don't use it as a tub. They only use it as a shower, and you saw how it was just pissing out like nothing, right? So we resolved the immediate issue and gave him a price to replace the shower body. I still got paid for the valve that I put on. I still got paid for my full hour of labor. Have a nice day. Is this guy gonna call me back?
Probably not.
Probably not, right? But nonetheless, he didn't want to spend the money replacing the shower body. We could have opened up, we could have taken out 6 tiles, or I could have used the multi-tool, which we lost. We don't know where it is. It's gone. The oscillating
We
tool.
did not lose it.
Okay, since I am the owner of the company, it all lays on me.
I've never used it before. I don't even know what it looks like.
You've never saw it before?
No. So I didn't lose it, so I'm not part of we.
Okay.
That Navian screw, maybe I lost that. We might have lost
The
that.
screwdriver?
Yeah.
Yeah, you remember it.
I don't remember the last time we used it, though, so.
That's a problem.
So we lost that one.
Well, since you are responsible for the tools, you lost it. All right, guys. Thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below. I cannot wait to hear it. They're gonna body slam me. Like I'm like some little puny little guy going on to WWF wrestling. Oh man. All right, guys. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.